Revenge Prank Part 1.
Demi, come here, I got a surprise for being good in school. Ice cream, okay?
That wasn't nice.
What was it?
I don't know.
You don't like the ice cream?
No.
When you played a prank on me 2 weeks ago?
Sorry, Daddy, I pranked you. I won't prank you again. Please not prank me again. I don't even like that tuna.
I love you, okay?
Okay.
Have a kiss.
2 weeks before.
Yes,
Remember a while back you played a prank on me?
Yes.
So I'm gonna get you back, so that's gonna happen now.